Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, thank you for tuning in, and if you're a returning subscriber too, thank you for coming once again. So in today's video we are going to bleach knots the right way. So we are going to do how to properly bleach your knot, a beginner friendly tutorial. So first off, you need your aluminium foil, you need your developer, you need your bleach. But in this video we're going to talk about the best products to use, the consistency of your bleach, the timing, and also a little tips here and there that will help you when you are doing your own bleach at home or wherever. Okay, so we go in with a bleach. You have to make sure that you get a perfect bleach for the kind of hair that you are using. We have so many different types of bleach available, but make your research and choose the bleach that you think can properly bleach your knots for you. Yeah, so you pour in your bleach into your container, then you pour your developer as well. So with the consistency, you are going to make sure that the consistency is like peanut butter. So just like peanut butter, smooth and thick, not liquidy like milk. You want to make sure that it is like peanut butter. So if you stir and it's still not forming, you just go ahead and add a little developer as well. So with the developer, you just take it little by little. You don't pour too much at a time. You take your time in moderation. You take small, you stir, continue stirring to see if it's giving you the peanut butter consistency. If not, you go ahead and add, but make sure you're adding just little by little. You can see the consistency I have over here. Yeah, so make sure that your consistency is just like that, just like peanut butter. Then we go ahead and take the closure or frontal you are going to use. So you could be bleaching your frontal, you could bleaching your closure. This method works for all laces, but I'm using 4x4 closure in this video, and I was bleaching like 3 or 4 closures. So you take the first closure that you are about to bleach, you spray a little water over it, or you could be like a holding spray just to tame away all the flyaways, so that when you are bleaching you don't mistakenly bleach those little hairs. Yeah, so you just lay it behind like that, and when you are bleaching you want to make sure that you are bleaching from the bottom. Yes, then you work your way to the top, just step by step. So you start from the back of the lace and work your way on top of the lid, because as soon as you start applying the bleach over the lid, it's going to start activating, and you do not want the front of the knot darker and brassier than the back of the knot. So you make sure that you start from the bottom and you work your way up. And I also use a spatula because it is more beginner friendly and allows you to be in control, and you will not bleach the hair itself. So spatula helps you instead of the brushes that we use for coloring hair. This spatula can give you that control. You can also use the little knife, the coloring knife, to also do this if you do not have a spatula around. Yeah, so as you're applying your bleach, you want to make sure that you are using light hand. You don't press it in. Just make sure that it covers every part, like every knot. It covers every knot. Then you turn around and look at it if there are no bleach peeping through the hair. Because you don't want to bleach the hair itself. You are bleaching only the black knot. So you don't want to bleach the hair. This is how it's going to look like. So you time it. It could be 15, 10 minutes, 30 minutes, depending on the type of lace you are working with. The quality of your hair and the lace will determine how long the bleach is going to last. So you make sure that every 5 to 10 minutes you come back and check if it is turning yellow. Yes. And if you think it is okay, you go ahead and take it off the aluminum foil. When taking it off the aluminum foil, you can go ahead and scrape off the bleach, so that when you are washing it, it's going to be like an easy process to wash. Then you wash it. When you are washing, make sure that you wash thoroughly. Know that no residue of bleach on it. So it's going to look something like this. And when you have a yellow tone or orange tone, you are going to work with a blue shampoo or a purple shampoo. When the knots are yellow, you go ahead and use a purple shampoo, and when the knots are orange, you use a blue shampoo. So looking at our lace, you can see clearly that it's kind of giving yellowish. The brassiness is yellow, so we go ahead and use a purple shampoo. So I use the Shimmer Light purple shampoo in this case, And you want to make sure that you evenly apply the purple shampoo and scrub it in, because you want all the brassiness to be gone. So you apply the purple shampoo evenly and generously. Make sure that every part is getting the purple shampoo, and you are massaging it into the lace to take away all the yellowish and the brassiness away from it. When you are done evenly applying, you let it sit for 15 to 20 minutes. But if you're not in a hurry, I suggest that you let it sit for 1 hour, at least 1 hour. But then if you feel like 10 minutes, 20 minutes is okay for you, fine. That also works perfectly fine. But if you want to take away all the yellow wish from it, let it sit for 1 hour. So, or 30 minutes is okay. So I prefer to let it sit for an hour. Then after 1 hour, I come back and take it and go and wash it thoroughly. So when you wash it, you want to make sure that you're washing it very well, taking away all the shampoo and the bleach residue from it. Then you go ahead and use your conditioner to rinse it out. Just as this is a human hair, depending of the kind of hair you are using, the quality of the hair, you want to make sure that you are maintaining the quality of the hair after bleaching. So you apply a conditioner in it, then you wash it thoroughly so that the hair can look fine. And as you can see, there are no yellowish things on the lace anymore. This is how your closure should look like after bleaching. No dark knots again. So thank you for sticking with me, and if this video was helpful, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe to this channel for more content like this. Bye.